I would like to start out today with another I Told You So. I'm not going to read this. It's mainstream, New York Times. I'm afraid YouTube might strike me. But I'm going to sit here and let you read this. Yeah, that's right. I told you they would come out and tell you what they've done. They're beginning in a strong manner, aren't they? Inflation, blaming on the pandemic and Putin. And I've been telling you this is coming since Trump. Now, I've also seen a bunch of people talking about how Trump had $1.20 gas. Look, it was 2 something when he left office. Give me a break. I told you this was coming. This is not because of Democrat, Republican shit. They're working together. What's wrong with you people? Seriously. Severe weather continues, and so do the fires. Raging. As you can see, it's 11 all the way up in here. Okay. UVI, extreme on the index. Okay. That shit doesn't happen. We've got 11s, 15s all day long. They were 8. There was a 16. There's fucking 18s in fucking China all day, 20s. The shit is spontaneously combusting. Siberia, Swiss Alps, UK, fucking Ireland, Scotland, everybody up in here, over here, is on fire. This is not fire season for the US. I'm telling you right now. I've never seen anything like this. This is fucking insane, people. We're on fire. We got record breaking fires all over the place. Saw it start down here and it's spreading up this way. Simply put, 2 weeks ago, this shit wasn't happening. There was a little bit of fire down here catching on. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? And then all of a sudden, it's really going on. And it's spreading all the way up into fucking Canada. Hello? You see it tilting? Our planet tilts every day now. Have you noticed? Sun's rising oddly in the north. We got a whole bunch of shit behind us so you can see it dark night, every night, including a cartwheeling moon. None of this shit fest that's happening today should be a surprise to any of you. I've been warning you exactly, detail to detail to detail, what to expect from your government and the physics of the planet being crunched at the ionospheric level all the way down. There's human spiking, people are getting sick and crazy, just like the Schumann resonance information and studies and research point to will definitely happen. So, this isn't guesswork, this isn't brilliance, it's just fucking looking at shit. There you are. We're sitting at 9, 5 to 6 quakes every. I mean, like, we've been, 10 yesterday, 9 today, 6, had 2 6s. There are multiple 6s a day and fucking 5s multiple a day. I was warning about this since 2014. That this day would come. We never had multiple 5s a day, but now we're up to 9 a day. There's another story on that I'm not even opening. My God. Oh my God, dead bodies in need in fucking Ukraine and Russia. That's what I'm looking at. We got cocktails and shit from Pelosi, cocaine, and divers. Look, we're bragging about killing fucking Russian generals. Russia's been pretty fucking strongly saying what I've been saying. If we help, we're going to get nuked. We've been helping, and we're going to get nuked because that's why I stood down as a fucking senator's investigator, because I was told of this. I've been warning of this very fucking specifically for 8 fucking years, and everybody's running around on fucking Facebook like they don't know what the fuck is going on. You're still coming to me on fucking YouTube, acting like you don't know what's going on. Blaming Russia, blaming Biden, blaming... It's the Crown, Vatican, DC Corporation, 180 nations. Your NWO you've been searching for, and you're still looking. You're an idiot. That's all I got for you. I spelled it the fuck out, letter for fucking letter, what was going to happen here. I fucking told you so. Do they even give me a time limit? No, they just say I can't do that. I can't post. I can't even like people's fucking posts because I speak the truth. If you're on fucking Facebook looking at shit and sharing shit, you're sharing fucking lies because they keep the truth suppressed. Signs and Wonders pays attention. These people don't. I have so many of my fucking friends showing off things as a question. What's going on? What's going on? I have told you what the fuck is going on and why we're going to see these things. This is UV radiation. And yeah, your grid's fixing to go out. Deb's on it. She knows why you're feeling a little off. It's still spiking. I knew it was. So for the longest time, I've been pointing at the moon as a U.S. Navy helmsman qualified individual that learned navigation as a fucking Boy Scout and through the Navy because they wanted me to drive that nuclear ship with those nuclear fucking weapons on them and not drive them into the heart of Russia by accident. I've been pointing out the fact that the only way to make that moon do what it's doing is to cause the axis to shift. Now in 2021, last year, NASA came out and admitted that the axis of Earth has shifted because so many people have been asking, obviously, what's wrong with the moon? Now, did they tell you the truth? That just come right out and say we tilted 66.6 degrees? No, they didn't. But I'll show you. We used to fucking tilt 23 degrees. Now we moved another 66 to the ecliptic, and we're sitting here spinning from top to bottom now. Same direction. Just tilted, making the sky roll, just like cuneiform said it would when the sister system gets near. They also came out with moon wobble, because the moon's doing a cartwheel. They just want you to think it's wobbling. If you look at it, it's rolling 180 degrees. Do the math. If you're seeing it rise like this and set like that, that's a 180 degree roll. You shouldn't see that ever. You can take from the dictionary. Hemisphere specific view of this. This is a monthly process, usually. But it's rolling from this to that every night. It's doing this every night. Telescopes showing the sun is doing the same thing. And Jupiter's planets and moons doing the same cartwheel every night. Shouldn't be, ever. We live in a 3-sun system. There is a red sun, which is a very live sun. It throws off heat and UV. Obviously, we're sitting at 15. 11 up in here, where I live. All the way up in here, we're sitting at 11 UV. That's extreme off the fucking scale. Burn your ass UV. We're spontaneously combusting. all over the planet, folks. That's not guesswork. I knew it was coming. I warned you of it. All your homes, a third of the trees will burn because the trees are going hollow and your fucking house doesn't replenish water. There are reasons we're seeing this stuff happen. It's not a do. It's not Biden's fault any more than it is Trump's fault. It's Crown Vatican DC Corporation. You know whose fault it is ultimately? Ours. For allowing a few people to do this to us. And lie, give us these fucking things that I've been warning you about coming. All this stuff. Everything I've ever said has come true at this point. And not only come true, verified. I'm not the crazy one. You know who's the crazy ones? People who think I'm crazy. People who call me names for fucking pointing out the obvious. It may hurt your feelings. Gives a fuck. I'm trying to save your life, fucking idiot.